Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mythili Fashions and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to fill eyebrows using low price eyebrow pencil. For that, I am going to use Eyebrow Dazzler Eyebrow Pencil Black. First, draw outline by using eyebrow pencil. It should be very thin. Then draw small lines in the front part of your eyebrows. The front portion of the eyebrow line should be a small gap between each lines. Then in the middle and end portion of the eyebrows should be darker. Again, I am applying pencil over my baby hairs in the front portion. Fill both the eyebrows should be even shape. Then apply suitable concealer to correct the pencil fallouts around the eyebrows. The application of the concealer do not touch the main portion of the eyebrows. So apply the concealer carefully. Choose your concealer one shade lighter than your skin tone. Remove the excess application using spoolie brush. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.